February 27, 1545, Ancrum Moor, Scottish borders. The English crown launches a brutal invasion. It's known as the Rough Wooing. An overconfident English army of 5,000 men advances. They pursue a heavily outnumbered band of Scots. The English cavalry senses a total rout. They charge up the slope, driven by easy slaughter. But as they crest the ridge, the illusion shatters. The retreating figures were not soldiers. They were human bait. The true Scottish army waits, perfectly positioned. The English cavalry crashes into the wall of pikes. The trap is flawlessly sprung. The English horses are instantly impaled. Scottish mercenaries turn on their commanders. The English force is annihilated in the mud. Blind aggression is a commander's deadliest enemy. Battlefield legends, where hunter and prey blur. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more hidden history.